Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Masterclass. Diwali is around the corner and I'm sure all of you would be busy tidying up the house, but it's very important to take some time out for yourself to get dressed and all decked up. So for this reason, we've come up with this very special episode in which I'm going to show you how to get this simple yet glamorous look. So if you want to know how I got to this, then keep on watching. And that was it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have candles, lights, beauty stuff and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Also, wishing you a very happy Diwali from all of us at POPxo.